In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location details by locations and complex. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8,
Which is the exceptional.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Category 2. Category 3. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to register priority and check-in. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various discounts and payment policies. If you are planning to book, please go through the link provided in the description. The link is in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon